Is true friendship, why is he talking about friendship? Is friendship actually necessary in marriage? Is it what to consider when considering dating somebody? Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm back. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my face on this channel, do well to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification button to be able to get notification when I post new videos. And if you are a subscriber already, I love you guys. And please, if you're a viewer but you're not yet a subscriber, that's a constant viewer and not yet a subscriber, I don't know what you're waiting for to subscribe to this channel. It's not cost you anything. Just click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'll be continuing from the chapter 2 of the book I've been working on, or rather making a review on, Waiting and Dating by Myles Munroe. And the title of the chapter 2 is Friendship Building, the Purpose of Dating. Now, some people might wonder, is true friendship, why is he talking about friendship? Is friendship actually necessary in marriage? Is it what to consider when considering dating somebody? Of course, true friendship is the strongest relationship and is a fundamental ingredient for a successful marriage. If a marriage has to be successful, seriously and on a sincere note, you have to be friends. It's when you're friends that you'll be able to open up to each other. For example, imagine you're like a guy, your male friend, your best friend, or a lady, your best friend. You guys talk a lot, you guys open up to each other. Even when the person wrong you, you feel free to tell the person because you people are friends. So friendship is important, and there is something you should know. If your relationship with someone is based on what you need, or what is based on what you need, trust me, that relationship or that friendship would not last. It's just like when we say fair weather friends. When you have a fair weather friend, it doesn't, the moment you discover that this person is a fair weather friend, when he needs something or when things are going well, that's when the person becomes your friend. You will be forced to quit that friendship. That is just the truth. So Myles Munroe is telling us that friendship is the strongest relationship of all, and is a fundamental ingredient for a successful marriage. If you want your marriage to be successful, then learn to be friends with the person that you're getting married to. Now, there are times you meet someone and then maybe you don't know what to say, or you're worried that you might not know what to say when you meet someone. So Myles Munroe is telling us that in order to overcome that, we should not focus on ourselves. We should focus on the other person. That's what is the person's interest. That I don't know if any of us have encountered such, but there are times you meet people and you discover that all the person is talking about is just about himself, just saying he doesn't want to hear your opinion. Such doesn't build friendship. It just means that you're one-sided. Myles Munroe has told us you focus on the other person. If you want to get things to discuss about in order to build that friendship, focus on the second person and not yourself. One of the ways to build friendship is to focus and ask questions that focuses on the other person, not on yourself. Focus on the other person. Ask questions that focus on the other person you're trying to build friendship with. Is one of the steadfast principles of building friendship. That's what Myles Munroe tells. So the questions you can ask can be grouped into 4, like family, spirituality, education, and interest. That's family, I take it again, family, education, interest, spirituality, things that revolve around spiritual things. these are, you can section your questions into these 4 categories, and of course you will definitely have what to discuss with the person. Even though you're meeting the person for the first time, there is no way you will talk about things that touches the person. Has a family. Even if the person doesn't have a family, the person has things that interest him or her. Even if the person does not have interest at all, which is most likely not possible, even if the person doesn't have interest, the person has a spiritual belief. Is it that he doesn't believe in God, or he believes in God, or even if he doesn't believe, there has to be something to talk about. In these 4 sections I've talked about, there will be something to discuss about. So in my next video, we'll be discussing the friendship questions. We'll be discussing the friendship building questions, and then the different levels of friendship we have. Stay tuned.